The brother of an accused killer will stay in custody waiting for a possible trial on a separate charge. He is accused of having a fake green card. Hello and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Lori Johnson.
And I'm Frank Malloy. Diego Ibarra appeared in federal court in Macon this morning, where a judge had to decide whether or not to set bond. Anthony Montalto was there. Anthony is live outside the federal courthouse right now to tell us what took place.
Ibarra walked out of a Butts County jail van. Well, yeah, Frank, in a way, these cases are related. And according to court documents, Diego Ibarra gave Athens Clarke County Police a fake green card while they were looking for his brother, Jose, back on February 23rd. Now, while Jose Ibarra's murder is still pending, Diego Ibarra is in court himself. Ibarra walked out of a Butts County jail van and into the Macon federal courthouse around 8:55 Thursday. An hour later, he was in U.S. Magistrate Judge Charles Weigel's courtroom to learn whether he could get out of jail while awaiting trial. He's accused of having a fake green card. Homeland Security Special Agent Benny Bryant testified. He says Ibarra first entered the U.S. in April 2023, but Border Patrol sent him to Mexico. Bryant said Ibarra came back 27 days later and got into a, quote, scuffle with the Border Patrol agent. But Bryant says nobody ever prosecuted Ibarra. Ibarra then asked for asylum, saying he feared going back to Venezuela, so Customs made him wear an ankle monitor while waiting for a judge to rule on his request. Bryant testified that 2 weeks later, authorities found the monitor on the side of a road in Colorado. Morrison cited the ankle monitor incident and Ibarra's failure to appear in court on a DUI in Athens. He argued that Ibarra was a flight risk and should stay in custody. Then he pointed to Ibarra's tattoos and social media posts, saying they show he was involved in a Venezuelan gang. Ibarra's attorney, Shantilia Attaway, disagreed. She asked Bryant the date of the DUI hearing, but he couldn't provide one. And she asked why the social media posts and tattoos meant her client was allegedly involved in a gang. Attaway also said there wasn't enough evidence to prove Ibarra ever had or cut off the monitor. In the end, Judge Weigel decided he didn't need to consider the possible gang ties. He sided with Morrison, largely because of the ankle monitor incident. In his ruling, Weigel said the most restrictive method he uses to ensure someone shows up for trial is an ankle monitor, and it didn't work the first time. So all of that means Ibarra must stay in custody until a potential trial, and next up, a federal grand jury will consider the case on Tuesday. Live in Macon, Anthony Montalto, 13 WMAZ News.
Hi, thanks, Anthony. Ibarra also faces a charge in Athens for that fake green card.
He's scheduled for an arraignment April 18th.
Meanwhile, the U.S.